Hello YouTube. Anyway, I was able to get the pitman arm off. Let me see if I can actually see that. Yeah, there's right there. Got that off, and a new one on. And I got the tie rod ends off. Let me show you. Grab the flashlight. I have to get up. I'm an old man, so just hang with me here. 63 is a year, I guess. A lot of people are much better. 80-year-olds are in better shape than I am. So I got the, you can see the tie rod end. I've got that off. That's laying on the floor there. And let me see. I said the pitman arm. I got that new one in already. The old one was kind of a bugger to get off, but not too bad. Over on this side, I have to get the idler arm and the bracket off. That's tomorrow's job, and then I can start going back together. But I got the tie rod end off there, and then I did get the rusty. This side was rustier. I had to cut that up a little bit to relieve some of the tension on the cast iron. I'm putting in new lower control arms and upper control arms anyway. It looks like when you buy, now this, no, don't get down on me. This truck is 300, it's really old, and it's an 03, it's got 345,000 miles on it. Yeah, I want to drive it a little bit more, but it's not really my everyday driver. Well, it is sometimes, but not all the time. And I have a Jeep that I drive. Kind of looking for either a half-ton pickup or a Tahoe to drive around, be a little bit more comfortable than my Jeep. This one is comfortable, very, very comfortable to drive. Diesel, and it gets about 20 miles a gallon. So yeah. So anyway, what I got left to do is just to replace the idler arm on this side and the bracket that holds the idler arm. I'm also considering maybe replacing the steering stabilizer. I kind of forgot that there's one in now. These the newer models don't come with them. It's not really a thing that has to be done now. I think I can get in there and replace that fairly easy later on down the road. It's easy to get at. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Shut this video down now, and I'll keep you posted on, yeah, I ordered some snubbers, or bumpers, I should say, bump stops for the thing. But anyway, pretty soon after I get these two parts put on, pretty soon ready to go back together. Like I said, I already got some back together already, because I didn't want that cross-link flop around on me. So I figured I'd just take the pitman arm off on the other side and put it right back on. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.